Hi everyone, it's me again. How are you today? Welcome back to our TVO YouTube channel. So, after a long time of learning Vietnamese, I believe that you are familiar with words like con gái, con trai, đàn ông, đàn bà. But have you ever heard phrases like con gái con đứa and đàn ông đàn an? What is con đứa? What is đàn an? When do people use it and why do people use it? Are you curious? Okay, let's find out. First, just like any other languages, Vietnamese vocabulary could be put in three categories: informal, spoken language; formal, written language; and neutral, which could be used in both situations. After a long history of development, spoken language changed dramatically and variedly. One of the changes that people usually make is lấy the word. Lấy is the action that people add one or two words which may or may not have meaning to the original one to create a new emphasized meaning and expressions. Second, people in society will have certain expectations on boys and girls, men and women. Therefore, if those expectations are not met, they will want to have some phrases to help express their disagreement or sometimes disapproval. As a result, new phrases are created. Let's come to the first phrase, con gái con đứa. Basically, this colloquial still means girl, but it's rather negative when you use this phrase to talk about girls. Con gái con đứa, để bạn học bừa bộn thế này à? Thế nó bảo sao? Bảo anh, tao không thể tin nổi. Con gái con đứa, suốt ngày chỉ vậy. Let's come to the second phrase, đàn ông đàn an. This colloquial is also used to talk about a man, but the people use it consider this man not a real man or does not meet the expectation of a real man. Em ơi, tổng là 16.000. Anh em mình chia đôi nhá. Anh 8.000, em 8.000. Đàn ông đàn an gì mà. Ki bo. Uống đi không? Thôi, em không biết uống bia. Đàn ông đàn an gì mà không biết uống bia uống rượu. Most people use this phrase to express their personal opinions or to make joke when they are in a group of friends. However, using them sometimes implicitly show your negative stereotype, which may make others feel offended and lead to unnecessary quarrels and incidents. Therefore, we really recommend you to put this phrase into consideration before applying it in real life. To this part of the video, I know some of you guys may question what are the phrases for boys and what are the phrases for women. Do you want to know more? Remember to like and subscribe. We will be back with more interesting Vietnamese phrases. See ya!